guys, welcome to another video. So this video is going to be like a productive week in my life vlog. I hope you guys like it. So I wasn't well last week and that is why I had to miss 3 days of school, and that is also why I wasn't able to upload last week. So I have quite a lot of things to do this week, and that is what this video is all about. So we were provided with some notes for bio. We had to write those in our notebook, so I started with that first. But while writing, I realized that we had to write 48 slides, which was a lot. Okay, I have a quick hack for you guys. So if you use gel pens to write your notes, and if you want to highlight some important point, you would notice that the ink of the gel pen will kind of smudge because of the highlighter. So what you can do is use the highlighter first and then write on it with the gel pen, and the ink wouldn't smudge. I guess that's what you call it. Okay, done with the notes. Obviously not all the 48 slides, but like half of it. Okay, I came back from school and it's raining heavily over here and I'm hating this weather. Like, it's making me lazy. I don't feel productive at all. I feel like doing nothing, but like I have to do things. So we have a project for bio. We have to make a herbarium file for which we had to collect like parts of different plants and write about their family, genus, species, order, class, and all of that. So I had collected all of these last week, and we had to keep them in a textbook for a few days. So I'm going to start making the file right now. So the flower had become very delicate and it was very difficult to work with it. I tried sticking it to the paper, but that did not work out, which is sad. So I guess I'll have to collect another one for the project. You guys are going to see me working on this project in a few more videos because I still have quite a lot of things to do on this. I have to design the cover page, I have to write all the information related to the plants, so I think it's going to take a lot of time. So it's the next day and I wasn't well in the morning, so I had to miss school again. We had to design an awareness poster and an advertisement poster for English. We had to do that online, so I completed that and I got it printed. So the first one was the Skechers advertisement. We had to do anything related to sports. It can include like sports equipment, shoes, and all of that. And the second one was a smartphone addiction awareness poster. And we also have an English presentation tomorrow. The topic for our group is Armenian people and their lifestyle, their culture, and all of that. So I just had one line, I guess, one or two lines. So I did not have to prepare a lot, but I was just going through the PPT. Okay, this is the part I have, the modern Armenia. It's just one line. So I did not really have to prepare a lot. I was just going through the PPT. And after that, I just watched some YouTube videos. It's the next day and my dad came to drop me to school today. So when my dad comes to drop me to school, it means that I can sleep for at least 10 to 15 minutes more, which is all I would ask for every morning. We have a holiday today because of the heavy rains. So if you guys have watched the previous video, you would probably know that we had a bio test on the first chapter, and now we have a bio test on the second chapter, which is sad, but I have to prepare for it. So I was just reading the chapter and highlighting the important points.